Internet connection running slow? Do videos constantly buffer? Try this simple trick. Turn off your laptop, close the lid. Turn the laptop upside down on a flat surface. Remove the battery. Remove the Phillips head screws on all the corners. Remove the back cover. Locate the laptop's hard drive. It looks something like this. You must ensure this area is dust-free before continuing to the next step. You can do this by using a can of compressed air on the hard drive. Thoroughly spray it until all traces of dust are gone. Next, take a fried egg and place it over the hard drive. Place the cover back onto the laptop. Screw back in the screws, reattach the battery, turn it right side up. Open up the laptop, turn on the laptop. Still running slow? Try tapping the laptop lightly. Step 2. Egg the laptop. Step 2. Egg the laptop. Step egg the laptop. Step egg the egg. Egg it more. Egg it more. This video is sponsored by Raycon. Raycon makes the best wireless earbuds in the game. Their new model gives you over 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, amazing bass, and a more compact design for a comfortable noise-isolating fit. They have a wide variety of different colors and fit options, as well as no annoying dangling wires or stems. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Mike Tyson are obsessed with Raycons, and it's easy to see why. Raycons don't fall out of your ears, no matter what. Watch this. After all that, the Raycons are still snugly fit in the chicken's ears. How to Basic uses these whenever he's working out. Try them out for yourself. Click the link in the video description or go to buyraycon.com/HTB to get 15% off your Raycon purchase. With a 45-day free return policy, you've got nothing to lose.
Hey! I done it!
Egg it more. Internet connection still slow? It might be an issue with your modem. To fix it, do the following. Perfect! You now have a lightning-fast internet connection.